Good morning, students. Now we start with viruses. Viruses are the smallest microorganisms. We are studying microorganisms, bacteria, fungus, algae, viruses. These are our microorganisms which we can't see with our naked eyes. They are very small in size. They cannot be seen under an ordinary microscope. The size of viruses ranges from 0.015 micron to 0.2 micron. The shape of virus varies from rod shaped, polygonal, spherical, or cubical. These are the different structures. There are found in plants, animals, and human beings. The virus which affect bacteria is called as bacteriophage. Viruses show characteristic of both living and non-living. These are the connecting link between virus are the connecting link between living and non-living. जब तक वायरस बॉडी के बाहर है, उसको अनफेवरेबल कंडीशंस में है, उसको फेवरेबल कंडीशन नहीं मिल रही है, इट इज़ नॉन लिविंग. बट जब उसको फेवरेबल कंडीशंस मिल जाती हैं तो ये क्या काम करता है, अपनी बॉडी को उसी बॉडी में अपने आप को टर्मिनेट करना शुरू कर देता है और अपना वर्क वहीं शुरू कर देता है. ये एज अ लिविंग एक्ट करता है. दे कैन नॉट रिप्रोड्यूस देमसेल्फ, अपने आप रिप्रोड्यूस नहीं करता. दे रिप्रोड्यूस ओनली इन साइड अ लिविंग बॉडी. ये जब तक उसको कोई लिविंग बॉडी या लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म नहीं मिल रहा है, जब तक उसको फेवरेबल कंडीशंस नहीं मिल रहे, तब तक ये जर्मिनेट नहीं करेगा. And use the energy of host organism to reproduce. As they multiply and grow, the host gets burnt open to release them. Some example of viruses are tobacco mosaic virus, AIDS virus, chickenpox virus, polio virus, measles virus. That in nowadays coronavirus is also there. Okay, AIDS virus, tobacco virus, then chickenpox and polio virus. Now microorganism, tiny living organism that we can't see with our naked eyes. Microbiology, study of microorganism. Protozoa are unicellular microscopic organism. Viruses are an extremely small infectious agent that cause a variety of disease in plants and animals. Bacteria क्या है? Single celled microorganism है. Bacteriophages, virus which affect bacteria. Okay. Now facts to know. Fungus grow on clothes, shoes during the rainy season. You can see them in grayish patches on these items. Viruses can be stored as crystals. वायरसेस को हम स्टोर करके रख सकते हैं. जब तक उसको फेवरेबल कंडीशंस नहीं मिलेगी, वो जर्मिनेट तो कर ही नहीं पाएगा. तो उसको उसी कंडीशन में हम लोग जब तक अनफेवरेबल कंडीशंस में रख सकते हैं, उसको फेवरेबल कंडीशन प्रोवाइड करवाएंगे तभी वो जर्मिनेट करना शुरू कर देगा. साइंटिस्ट हैव succeed in creating a simple computer using bacteria. This bacterial computer was successful in solving classical mathematical puzzle called the burnt pancake problem. Okay. Now useful microorganisms. यूज़फुल माइक्रोऑर्गेनिजम्स, कुछ माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म पढ़ रहे थे, हमें हार्म कर रहे हैं. एल्गे है, फंगस है, तो हमारी चीज़ों को ख़राब कर रहे हैं. बट देयर आर सम माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म विच आर यूजफुल टू अस. ऑल्दो माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म आर वेरी टाइनी creature, but they are useful to us in many ways. These are used by the human being for different purposes. Some important uses of microorganism are discussed below. For making food items, microbes are very useful in making curd, cheese, paneer, bread and many other food items. All these food items are based on the process of fermentation. Fermentation क्या है? Fermentation is the process of conversion of sugar into an acid or an alcohol by the action of microorganism. Fermentation is the process of conversion of sugar into acid or an alcohol by the action of microorganism. Now here is an activity to observe the process of fermentation. Fermentation क्या है? The टेक सम शुगर. अब हम इसी प्रोसेस में देखेंगे फर्मेंटेशन के प्रोसेस को कैसे ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं. टेक सम शुगर, वाटर एंड अ बैलून. Empty plastic bottle and some yeast cell. Mix sugar and the yeast in a water in a bowl thoroughly. Pour this mixture into the plastic bottle. Blow the balloon and deflate it 3-4 times. Now fix it on the mouth of the bottle containing solution. The volume of a mixture kept in the bottle increases due to the formation of gas. The balloon inflated due to the rise in volume. You can also smell alcohol from the mixture inside the bottle. Pass the gas formed inside the bottle into a test tube containing lime water. The lime water turns milky. It proves that gas formed in the bottle is CO2 because CO2 converts the lime water milky. Thus it can be concluded that fermentation of sugar by yeast produce alcohol and carbon dioxide. फर्मेंटेशन से क्या प्रोड्यूस हुआ? अल्कोहल और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. एल्कोहल तो स्मेल से पता चल रहा है. CO2 मिल्क जो है लाइम वाटर को क्या कर रही है, मिल्की. द टाइनी होल्स यू सी इन इडली, डोसा, ब्रेड एंड ढोकला आर ड्यू टू द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फॉर्म्ड ड्यूरिंग फर्मेंटेशन. जब वो गैस बाहर आ रही है तो उसमें कुछ होल्स बाहर दिखेंगे. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ फूड आइटम मेड बाय यूजिंग माइक्रोब्स. कर्ड और दही और प्लेन योगर्ट contains a bacterium called lactobacillus. कर्ड में जो बैक्टीरिया है that is lactobacillus acidophilus. It causes the curd formation. The bacteria multiply in a warm milk and convert it into the curd after a 4 to 5 year. ये दही को जमने में हेल्प करता है. कौन सा बैक्टीरिया, lactobacillus. Cheese and paneer are milk products prepared by using the bacteria lactobacillus and streptococcus. Different varieties of cheese can be made by using different kind of bacteria. Some fungus like aspergillus and penicillium are added to cheese to give special flavor. In bread making, a fungus called yeast is added to the uncooked dough to make it rise. ईस्ट जब ऐड की जाती है तो यही जो उस आटे को या फिर उस ब्रेड को हल्का बनाने में हेल्प कर रही है, उसको राइस करने में. द डफ राइसेस ड्यू टू द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ CO2. कौन सी गैस प्रोड्यूस करते हैं फर्मेंटेशन से, CO2. In the dough, the bread can now be baked. Heat of baking remove CO2, making the bread porous and soft. हीट करने से क्या होगा, ये जो गैस है बाहर निकल जाएगी, जिससे कि ब्रेड कैसी बन जाती है, सॉफ्ट. फिर है टेक सम बेकर्स yeast and put a little of it on a warm sugar solution. Leave it undissolved to 2 or 3 hours. Put 1 drop of clean slide and examine the fluid under the microscope. You can see the budding of yeast cell. Yeast बढ़ेगी तभी fermentation process होगा. Common food dishes like idli and dosa are prepared by the action of yeast cell. The mixture of ground rice and dal is allowed to stand for a few hours. This mixture rises and becomes sour. कुछ खट्टा सा हो जाता है due to the growth of yeast cell. A popular dish of Gujarat is called as dhokla, also made with the action of yeast cell to make the mixture of soft and fluffy. Yeast is also used in making wines and beers for fruit juices or barley. Ethyl alcohol is converted into vinegar by the action of bacteria called Acetobacter. The fungus called aspergillus is used to produce large quantity of citric acid used in soft drink industries. Some algae like chlorella, porphyra and seaweeds are eaten as a food in many countries. Chlorella is very rich in protein and vitamins. These are some useful microorganisms. Some bacteria live in the digestive tract of the cows and other grazing animals. These bacteria help these animals to break down cellulose, which is a complex carbohydrate. Cellulose is digested in the ruminant stomach, not in our stomach, because we don't have any enzyme. Some species of fungus are edible. कुछ ऐसी है जो हमें खा भी सकते हैं फंगस को. For example, agaricus, क्रैमेरिया है, क्लेवेरिया है, मोरकेला है. These are used as a vegetables or in soups. Okay.